Hello everyone, I wanted to make a quick review of this random barbecue bucket that I got at a yard sale for a couple bucks some time ago. I'm sure there's other products similar to it that I will link, but I just want to say this bucket is awesome. There's a couple things there that make it really sweet. I think this burger is pretty much done. But one is that it does not use a lot of coals at all. It burns pretty quick, so you can be kind of done with a whole session within under an hour. It's easy to carry. You can put the coals inside of it at the bottom if you remove this little tray here. So you can use it for transportation. Has a nice little handle, kind of this slightly awkward tool for removing the grill. But just all in all, it's kind of like something you can have in the back of your car, or just say I have a big campfire and I want to cook something small quickly and I don't really want to have to move around the campfire or do something like that. This grill bucket has really proven its worth. It's awesome. Like just right now, I just wanted to cook 2 tiny little burgers. I put a couple little coals in there and it's working great. If I had a bigger grill, I'd need to use more coals. I can easily move this thing as well. I mean, obviously I can move a grill, but I just like how you can kind of put, you could put this on a deck. You could have it on the grass like I have it like this here, but it's just a really versatile little grill. And I guess in the end, it's just basically a small grill, but this bucket shape and just makes it all easy. It makes it clean. It makes it easy to dump the ash from it afterward. I just want to say this thing is a real winner, and I've been kind of grilling or making food on the fire for a while, putting the coals kind of like a nice little place, and that's great if you're making a lot of food and you're kind of cooking all night. But if you just literally, you want to make a burger for yourself while you're enjoying a campfire, this often is much easier and can often come up with a better result as well, as there's also less chance for accidents or things like that. So yeah, those are just my 2 cents of this grill bucket. It kind of sat in my garage for 2 years and I didn't use it, and then I took it out about a month ago and I've been using it constantly. So yeah, check it out.